Welcome to our YouTube channel Student Homeopathy. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, share it with your friends, like our video and press the bell icon for the future notification. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So, today's our remedy is Calcium muraticum. Its common name is chloride of potassium, that is KCl. It's one of the tissue salt remedy. This remedy has a wide clinical use. Through its introduction by Jossler, it certainly is one of great value in catarrh affections, in subacute inflammatory states, fibrinous exudation and glandular swellings, white or grey coating of base of tongue, and expectoration of thick white phlegm seems to be special guiding symptoms. Bursitis prepatellaris. In head symptoms, he imagined he must starve. Headache with vomiting, crista lactea, and dandruff are shown. Eye symptom shows white mucus, purulent scab, superficial ulcer, trachoma, and corneal opacity. In ear symptoms, chronic catarrh condition of the middle ear. Glands about the ear are swollen, snapping and noises in the ear. Threaten mastoid, great effusion about the auricle. Nose shows catarrh, phlegm with white, thick vault of pharynx covered with adherent crust. Stuffy cold and nosebleed occurs. Face shows swollen cheek, which is painful. Mouth shows apathy, thrust, white ulcer in mouth, swollen gland about jaw and neck, coating of tongue, grayish white, dryish or slimy. Throat shows follicular tonsillitis, tonsil inflamed, enlarged so much can hardly breathe. Grayish patches or spot in the throat and tonsils, adherent crust in vault of pharynx, hospital sore throat, Eustachian catarrh. Stomach symptom shows fatty or rich food causes indigestion, vomiting of white opaque mucus, water gather in the mouth, pain in the stomach with constipation, bulimia, hunger disappear by drinking water. Sign and symptoms of bulimia: swollen salivary gland, inflammation of the esophagus, rupture in the esophageal wall, abnormal heart rhythm, gastric reflux, peptic ulcer, dehydration and hypokalemia, constipation. Abdomen shows tenderness and swelling. Flatulence occurs. Threadworms causing itching at the anus. Stool: constipation, light color stool, diarrhea after fatty food consumption, clay colored white or slimy stool, dysentery purging with slimy stool, hemorrhoids, bleeding, blood is dark and thick, fibrinous and clotted. Female symptoms: menstruation is too late or suppressed, checked or too early. Excessive discharge occurs with dark clotted or tough black blood, like a tar. Leukorrhea, discharge of milky white mucus, thick and non-irritating blood. Morning sickness with vomiting of white phlegm. Bunches in breast, feels quite soft and are tender to touch. Respiratory organs: loss of voice, hoarseness of voice, asthma with gastric derangement, mucus, white, hard to cough up, loud noisy stomach cough, cough short, acute and spasmodic like whooping cough, expectoration thick and white, rattling sound of air passing through thick tenacious mucus in the bronchi, difficult to cough up. Back and extremities: rheumatic fever, exudation, and swelling around the joints. Rheumatic pain felt only during motion or increased by it. Nightly rheumatic pain worse from the warmth of the bed. Lightning like from small of back to feet. Must get out of the bed and sit up. Hands get stiff while writing. Skin shows acne, erythema, and eczema with vesicles containing thick white content, dry flour like scale on the skin, and bursitis. Modalities. Symptoms worsen on eating rich food, fat, and by motion. Thank you for watching. Please give your valuable feedback in comment